Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to tell if you are blocked on X. Open X application on your phone and go to search in section at the bottom side of your screen, and now at the top go to search in bar and search for the person's username that you're curious about, that you want to check if they have blocked you. So tap on their profile, and now if they blocked you, you will see a message that says that this user has blocked you. So that's basically the confirmation that you are blocked. And additionally, X does not send a notification to you when someone blocks you. So yes, the only option will be to go to someone's profile and look for this message. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.